Are you interested in starting an online business? In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of dropshipping. First, let's understand what dropshipping is. It's a business model where you sell products without having to keep them in stock. To start dropshipping, you need to find reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers who offer quality products and competitive prices. Next, you'll need to set up an online store. Choose a user-friendly platform and customize it to showcase your products. Once your store is ready, it's time to select the products you want to sell. Focus on products that are in demand and align with your target audience. Marketing is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. Use social media, influencer partnerships, and targeted ads to reach your potential customers. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve any issues that may arise. As your business grows, consider expanding your product range and exploring new markets to maximize your profits. Remember, success in dropshipping requires continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with the latest industry trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. In conclusion, dropshipping offers a low-risk opportunity to start your own online business. Follow these steps and unleash your entrepreneurial potential.